What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and in today we have a tutorial video on a 2008/2009 GSXR 600, how to remove the ECU from the bike in case you want to send it in and get the ECU flash done. This one is pretty simple. For those of you who are looking for an exciting video, action-packed, this is not the one. This is basically an educational video only, showing you how to remove the ECU. The only tools you're gonna need for this job, a 4mm T-handle and a Phillips head screwdriver. Really simple. You've got the seat bolts here, which were right here. We remove those with the 4mm on each side. Simply lift the seat off, and the ECU is right down in there. You'll see the big gray plug, and then there's a big black plug. There are two Phillips head screws that are right here. You'll have to remove those. Once you get that removed, you can then remove these relays and stuff. Now, this sensor right here, this is very important. I don't know if you can see on it on the camera, but on that rubber right there, it says up. That is very important, guys. That is called the tip over sensor. So what that does is if you were to fall or crash with the bike, when that sensor falls out of place, it then cuts the fuel pump and the fuel system off for the bike. So if you remove your ECU, you put this in upside down, guess what? It's not gonna start. So be very careful, make sure you pay really close attention to how that comes in and goes out, okay? But your ECU is right there. You can see it with that white sticker on it. All you gotta do, unplug that, remove it, mail it in. We flash the ECU within 1 to 2 days of arriving here, and then we send it right back to you. Horsepower in a box. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I told you to be short, sweet, and simple, but if you have one of these bikes, that's very important knowledge I just gave you. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video and it helped you, be sure to smash that like button. As always, see you next time, guys.